Welcome to Future Phone Flash, your one-stop destination for the newest tech scoops. Today, we're delving into some thrilling leaks about the upcoming Google Pixel 9 Pro XL and the fresh Oppo Reno12 series. Let's dive right in. Google's Pixel 9 Pro XL early reveal. Get an early look at Google's highly awaited Pixel 9 Pro XL revealed on Geekbench. It's packed with the cutting-edge Tensor G4 chipset, boasting powerful cores for top-notch performance along with a Mali G715 GPU and a massive 16 GB of RAM. Oppo's global launch of Reno12 series. Oppo joins the excitement with the global launch of Reno12 and Reno12 Pro. These smartphones feature the Dimensity 7300 Energy chipset, stunning 6.7-inch curved AMOLED LED displays, impressive 50MP main cameras, and Pro variant enhancements like additional camera features and fast charging. Pixel 9 series introduces Creative Assistant AI. Rumors hint at Google's Pixel 9 series introducing a new AI assistant, Creative Assistant, to add a creative touch to your messaging with new emojis and stickers. Benchmarks tease Pixel 9 Pro XL performance. Leaked benchmarks of the Pixel 9 Pro XL suggest significant performance improvements over the previous model. With Android 14 on the Tensor G4 chip and ample RAM, expect smooth multitasking and impressive gaming. Outro. That wraps up today's Future Phone Flash update. Stay tuned for more thrilling tech news, and remember to like, share, and subscribe for all the latest updates. Thanks for watching.